going to be quiet. There's not going to be much of anything happening. There's just a slight chance of a flurry or sprinkle, but that is about it. Nothing more than that. But remember, this week, we certainly had temperature whiplash, that's for sure. A record low high temperatures on Monday when it only hit 10 in Boston. Then 3 days later, almost a record high. Got up to 59, just short of the record by 3 degrees. Could that happen again this week? I don't think we're going to have any record high temperatures, but we may have some record cold here on Thursday. The record low highest temperature on Thursday is 12, set back in 1935. We may be around 12 in Boston around midnight. It may be colder than that during the day. And in Worcester, it's 11, set back in 1951, and I'm forecasting it to be about 4. So we have a shot of very cold, frigid air on the way. But it's okay tonight. It's cold, but not bad. 31 in Boston right now, 20s in the suburbs, some teens in parts of Worcester County westward. And all the frigid air is up here in Canada, and a piece of that is really going to come down. You'll see that shortly. Lows tonight should be in the upper 20s around Boston, lower 20s in many of the nearby suburbs, teens out in Worcester County and points west. But tomorrow should be a little bit milder than today was by almost 10 degrees, up to 42 to 44, 45 degrees in eastern Massachusetts, upper 30s and lower 40s in Worcester County. And then the cold air is moving down into Minneapolis to Chicago, only 10s for highs there tomorrow, and frigid just across the border. Most of the rest of the country is in pretty good shape. We have a cold front on its way, and it may set off some snow showers tomorrow in parts of western and northern New England. And also tonight, a little bit of moisture trying to come up over southeastern Mass and headed toward the Cape. Can't rule out a few snow showers there either later tonight and early in the morning. But tomorrow morning we'll have varying amounts of cloudiness. Again, a sprinkle or flurry can't be ruled out passing over Gillette Stadium in the morning, but nothing more than that. But temperatures are going to be on the rise rather rapidly. They'll be up close to 40 by noontime and into the low and middle 40s in the afternoon. Here are some flurries, snow showers, and even some snow squalls hitting the mountains of northern New England and even into the Berkshires. We'll have a band of snow showers crossing perhaps Worcester County by late afternoon or early in the evening as that front comes on through here, and then we'll be colder here on Monday with quite a bit of sunshine, although we may see some cloudiness from this ocean storm going out to sea over southeast Mass. Here's the storm, which is going to give us a few inches of snow to the Midwest, including Chicago and Detroit. That'll go to the west of us, but there may be a development along that front. But this whole thing is going to move so fast late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning that we won't have a chance to get a lot of precipitation. Nevertheless, there could be a few inches of snow, and the frigid air is right behind it. Once that moves out, we get a lot of wind late Wednesday, and the frigid air roars right in here on Thursday. So on Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, there may be a few inches of snow here, 3-4 inches, maybe reaching down to about 1 or 2 inches just outside of Boston, and rain over southeast Mass. Look how cold this is going to be. On Wednesday morning, we could have wind chill temperatures around 40 below zero over Chicago. Wednesday morning and Wednesday night. That is how severely cold this really is. It's a chunk of cold that we rarely see, but it's going to be digging very far to the south, and a piece of that comes right over us on Thursday to make it frigid here, and then a gradual recovery after that. So here's your 7 days ahead. I don't see any temperatures going to near record high levels this week, but we could have that record cold on Thursday. After that brief storm Tuesday night and very early Wednesday morning, and then the temperatures will fall on Wednesday from 32 in the morning, the bottom number, to 23 in the afternoon. And then the bottom really falls out on late Wednesday night and Thursday.